You scare everybody. Use your napkin.
Okay.
Don't fall out. I got it.
Yay! I did it!
Yay! Okay, swish, swish. Are you happy?
Mm-hmm.
How much money you want for this one?
I wanted $1.
$1?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's worth $1. It's very pretty tea. And you're a good girl. You're a brave girl. Now you're like Owen. You got one tooth. I mean, you're like Kaden.
Kaden!